Have you ever wondered about the power of superfoods? Well, let's demystify what superfoods are and dive into their extraordinary health benefits. Superfoods are mainly plant-based, but also some fish and dairy, known to be nutritionally dense and thus good for one's health. They have a high volume of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Let's spotlight a few superfoods and their unique properties. Take blueberries, for example. These tiny, vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage by free radicals, harmful molecules that can lead to heart disease, cancer, and other diseases. Next on the list is the mighty kale. This leafy green is a nutrient powerhouse, especially rich in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and can also help protect against osteoporosis. An easy way to include kale in your diet is by adding it to your salads, smoothies, or even making kale chips. Then we have chia seeds. These little seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. They're also high in fiber, making them excellent for digestive health. Try sprinkling them on your breakfast cereal or blending them into your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost. But superfoods aren't just about individual items. It's also about how you incorporate them into your meals. Let's say, for breakfast, you could have a smoothie made with kale, blueberries, and a spoonful of chia seeds. For lunch, a salad loaded with mixed greens, topped with cooked quinoa, another superfood, and a handful of blueberries. And for dinner, a hearty vegetable soup with a side of whole grain bread sprinkled with chia seeds. Remember, variety is the key. The more diverse your diet, the wider the range of nutrients you'll consume. And while superfoods are incredibly nutritious, they are most effective when consumed as a part of a balanced diet. With these superfoods, you're not just eating, you're fueling your body with essential nutrients. So, let's embrace the power of superfoods and supercharge our health. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe. Do you know how important your gut health is to your overall well-being? Let's unravel this a bit. The gut, or the digestive system, is like the command center of our body. It not only processes the food we eat, but also plays a crucial role in our immune system and mental health. Now imagine a bustling city with millions of inhabitants, all trying to live in harmony. That's your gut, home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. In an ideal world, the good bacteria keep the bad ones in check, ensuring a balanced gut environment. But in reality, factors like stress, poor diet, and antibiotics can disrupt this balance, leading to digestive issues, lowered immunity, and even mood disorders. Enter probiotics. These are live bacteria and yeasts, the good guys, that support a healthy digestive system. They work by restoring the natural balance of bacteria in your gut. So how do we get these probiotics? Well, they are naturally found in your body, but you can also get them from certain foods and supplements. Let's talk about fermented foods. They are a powerhouse of probiotics. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and others undergo a process called fermentation. In this process, bacteria, or yeast, convert sugars in the food into organic acids or alcohol. This not only extends the shelf life of these foods, but also boosts their nutritional value. Take yogurt, for example. It's fermented milk, packed with friendly bacteria that can improve your gut health. Then there's kimchi, a Korean dish made from fermented cabbage, loaded with probiotics and vitamins. And let's not forget sauerkraut, fermented cabbage again, but this time a staple in German cuisine. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and, you guessed it, probiotics. Adding these foods to your diet can help boost your gut health, improving digestion, enhancing immunity, and even boosting your mood. And remember, when introducing new foods to your diet, it's always best to start slow and see how your body reacts. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. So let's give our gut the care it deserves, shall we? Did you know that your diet can impact your mental well-being? It's a fascinating fact that our food choices can have a profound effect on our mood, concentration, and even our sleep patterns. In the vast universe of nutrition, certain foods stand out as particularly beneficial for brain health. Let's delve into some of these brain-boosting superfoods. Take fatty fish, for instance. These swimmers, such as salmon, trout, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of essential fat that our bodies can't produce on their own. Omega-3s play a vital role in brain health. They help build and repair brain cells and improve learning and memory. So, the next time you're planning your meals, consider adding some fatty fish to the menu. Leafy greens also deserve a shout-out. These vegetables, including spinach, kale, and collards, are packed with nutrients like folate, iron, and calcium. But one star player in these greens is folate, a type of B vitamin. Folate is crucial for brain function and mental health, helping to regulate mood and ward off depression. So go ahead and add an extra helping of these vibrant veggies to your plate. But what about those times when you're craving something sweet? Well, berries have you covered. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants, which help delay brain aging and improve memory. Berries are a sweet way to nourish your mind and satisfy your sweet tooth, all in one go. Now, these are just a few examples of how food can influence our mental well-being. Of course, it's important to remember that good nutrition should go hand in hand with other lifestyle habits, like regular physical activity and adequate sleep. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember this. What you eat does not only nourish your body, it also feeds your mind. Choose wisely, and you'll be supporting your mental health, along with your physical health. As the saying goes, you are what you eat. So why not be a powerhouse of wellness? Feed your mind as well as your body for optimal health. Are you drinking enough water every day? This is a question that we often overlook, yet it's crucial for our overall health. Water is the lifeblood of our bodies, making up more than half of our body weight. It's essential for every single cell, tissue, and organ to function optimally. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not really a water person. Don't fret. There are creative ways to increase your water intake. One popular method is infused water. Infused water is a beautiful marriage of flavor and hydration. You can experiment with a wide variety of fruits, herbs, and even spices. Imagine a refreshing glass of water infused with the sweetness of strawberries, the tang of lemon, and the subtle hint of fresh mint leaves. Not only is it delicious, but it also makes drinking water a more enjoyable experience. And how about herbal teas? They're another excellent source of hydration. Herbal teas come from a variety of dried herbs, fruits, flowers, or spices. The beauty of herbal teas lies in their diversity. You can choose from a vast array of flavors, such as chamomile for a calming effect, peppermint for a refreshing burst, or hibiscus for a tart and fruity taste. What's more, many herbal teas come with their own unique health benefits. For instance, green tea is packed with antioxidants, while ginger tea can aid digestion. But let's not forget the most straightforward way to stay hydrated, drinking plain, good old water. It's the best way to ensure our bodies are well hydrated. So make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you wherever you go. Set reminders if you need to. Every sip counts. In the grand scheme of things, hydration is more than just about quenching your thirst. It's about nourishing your body, supporting your bodily functions, and promoting optimal health. So the next time you reach for a beverage, remember the essence of hydration. Remember, staying hydrated is not just about quenching your thirst, it's about promoting optimal health. Ever wondered how exercise and nutrition work together for optimal health? Picture this, you're a car. Exercise is the ignition, turning on your engine and setting you in motion. Nutrition, on the other hand, is the fuel. Without the right fuel, even the best engine won't get very far. So let's delve into this symbiotic relationship. Exercise is key for physical fitness and mental health. It strengthens our muscles, keeps our heart healthy, and even boosts mood. But to keep this exercise engine running smoothly, we need to feed it properly. That's where nutrition comes into play. When we talk about nutrition, we're not just talking about eating to satisfy hunger. We're talking about fueling your body with the right nutrients to support your workout and recovery. This is where the concept of pre- and post-workout nutrition becomes essential. Before a workout, Your body needs a balance of carbohydrates and protein. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of energy. They're like the gasoline that keeps your engine running. Protein, on the other hand, is crucial for muscle growth and repair. It's like the mechanic that fixes up your car after a long journey. Post-workout nutrition is equally important. After exercise, your body is like a sponge, ready to soak up nutrients for recovery and growth. Again, a mix of carbohydrates and protein is crucial. Carbohydrates replenish your energy stores, while protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. But remember, a balanced diet goes beyond pre- and post-workout meals. It's about providing your body with a wide range of nutrients throughout the day. From colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This balanced approach to nutrition supports not just your exercise goals, but your overall health and well-being. So you see, exercise and nutrition are two sides of the same coin. You can't maximize the benefits of one without the other. They work together, complementing each other to promote optimal health and fitness. Exercise and nutrition go hand in hand for a healthy lifestyle. So next time you lace up your running shoes or unroll your yoga mat, remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. It's not just about burning calories or building muscle. It's about nurturing a healthy, vibrant, and balanced lifestyle. So, are you ready to unlock the power of superfoods for optimal health? It's a journey worth embarking on, a path leading to well-being and vitality. Remember the magic of superfoods, the importance of gut health with probiotics, the link between food and mental well-being, the essence of hydration, and the symbiotic relationship between exercise and nutrition. All these elements combined can transform your life. Take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle today. Remember, every little change counts.